I don't believe that just happened again for the second time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with you what happened to me when I visited Louis Vuitton a few days ago. So I went there to pick up my Speedy 20. Here she is. And I also want to share you what happened when I picked this up. Okay. So before I tell you the story of what's going on, let me just do a quick reveal on this one. I'm sure a lot of you already see this in YouTube and everywhere. I just want to share with you. A few weeks ago, I got the Speedy 20 in Noir, but I feel like I wanted more of the pink color than the Noir, so I ended up getting the pink instead of the Noir. This is the inside, and keys and lock, and this is the strap. It's beautiful. I love the pink color, and you can always use the strap with other bag if you have. So this is the first item that I picked up. The second item is actually this one. This is the passport holder in a Christmas animation 2021 with Vivian in Hollywood and with the bear. Okay, so the story, when I was there, I happened to bring my graceful PM. If you've seen my unboxing, and for my birthday unboxing, you know this is the bag that I'm talking about. So when I went there to Louis Vuitton, I'm actually wearing this, like this. And you know, you got to space when there is table, and then I just didn't think of putting my bag other than just on the table. So I laid flat on the table like this, because there was a seat and my daughter was sitting on the seat, so I didn't think of anything. I just put the bag there. While I was inspecting my Speedy 20 and my passport holder, guess what? There's this lady, she came to us, and then straight away she grabbed my bag. Yep, she grabbed my graceful PM from the table, and then said, "Excuse me, I want to see this." I was in shock, and I was like, "Excuse me, ma'am, that is my bag." And then she was like, "Oh," and she did not even move. She was just like standing there for a few seconds, and she was like, "Oh," and then I keep looking at her like, "Yes, that's my bag and you cannot touch it." That moment, I quickly remember Michelle from Dial M Style. I'm gonna link her video. I'm gonna show a picture of her video here, when she talked about a grabby hand. And that moment I was thinking, oh my god, this is what Michelle is talking about, where people in the store and then just grab whatever they want. I'm sure this is just a misunderstanding. She didn't think that it's my bag, maybe because that was the first time I wore that bag, so it's kind of look brand new and it's laying on a table. So okay, she finally left, and a few seconds later she came back and then, "Excuse me again, what is the name of that bag?" And I was like, "Oh, it's Graceful PM," and then she left. All this time my CA was just standing there, I think holding his laugh. I'm not sure, because I wasn't looking at him, but I was looking at the lady. So I was doing my business, taking pictures for the things that I want, and then another thing happened. So this time there is another CA came into our table again and almost grabbed my bag again. And he was talking to my CA, excuse me, I'm gonna get this, excuse me. I said, that is my bag. I said, oh. He was stunned and he stopped. Oh yes, that's my bag, I said. And my CA was just like giving code to that CA, and I was quickly asking, excuse me, why do people think this is not my bag? I said, oh. And he answered, oh, because it's laying flat like this on the table. And I was thinking, laying flat? How am I supposed to put my graceful? This is like very slouchy, and I didn't put a lot of things. And of course, when I put it on the back, I didn't think to put it like this or just laying. I just like left it on the table. So just because I put it lay flat on the table, they assume that is not my personal belonging. So that is what I got from what his answer is, because it lay on the it lay flat, because usually it doesn't lay flat, he said, if it belongs to someone. And I was like, what? I'm sorry, that's mine. And then after that, that CA talked to my CA maybe about do they have another one. I'm sure that was the lady who asked if they have another graceful. But this is just a funny experience and awkward, like in one sitting, not even like 30 minutes, two people trying to grab your bags. I don't know if it's my fault that I put my bag laying flat on the table, but I just didn't think that, you know, putting the bag on the floor or on the, I don't know, on the chair, because my daughter was there, so I just left it on the table. So have you got any experience like this? I'm not discrediting anyone here, I'm just sharing my story. That's what happened a few days ago when I visited LV. So if you have some kind of experience like this, or if you have ever seen somebody with a grabby hand, you can leave the comment down below. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post another video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.